previous video, we worked on physical improvisation, and that helps to build a foundational understanding of movement. And now, moving on to musical improvisation, we're going to use this tool to expand our expressive control and try to get more intentional about our artistic choices. The first type of musical improvisation is rhythm improvisation. It is really helpful to strengthen your inner pulse with this exercise, and it's also, you can use that to fix certain rhythmic inconsistencies that you discover in your playing. For example, the beginning of Mendelssohn's Scherzo is very rhythmically challenging for a lot of people. So can you give us a little demonstration of what that sounds like? There are certain patterns that a lot of students tend to rush is when you have the rest in between. So in order to really work with this in a different context, let's try to select the basic rhythmic cells, and then we are going to build our improvisation on top of that. So now we have 4 basic patterns right here. Can you play that one by one, and then maybe do a repeat for each one? Good. So do you notice yourself doing something a little different with the 8th notes versus the 16th notes?
I think with the 8th notes, I was maybe more intentional about placing them where they should be and not rushing onto the next one.
Okay, great. So let's try that and then create an improvisation based on it. And the way we are going to do it, you will select one of the rhythmic cells as your basic pattern. So which one do you want to choose?
I'll go with 1B.
1B. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to do 1B for 2 bars. So you're going to do it twice. And then the next 2 bars, you can select any of the patterns that we have here. Okay. Great. Okay, now we can add the left hand. So you can play some notes that you're playing in the music. And let's try a different pattern. What are you thinking?
I'll do 1C.
1C, okay. So this time, I am going to change the metronome when you're playing. Okay, cool. And because I noticed in your playing 1D tends to be a little bit uneven, so can we try to design an exercise for that? So use the 1D as the basic pattern. How about we do 3 bars now, and then 3 bars improvised? Let's go back to the beginning and play again. Just play as is. Very good. Very good. Okay, so here is how you can use the basic rhythmic ideas from the piece of music to build an improvisation. And then when you go back to the music, it might feel slightly more comfortable this way.